Most amigurumi projects start with some kind of circular shape, adding 6 stitches per round, usually at the start of each round. You might notice as your circle gets larger that it's turned into more of a hexagon than a circle. This happens when the increases stack on top of one another. I've marked with the green yarn here where the increases are, and you can see that they sit on top of each other and form a spiral. To avoid this and to create a more circular shape, try staggering your increases so that they no longer sit on top of each other. For example, for each second row, do half of the usual single crochets before you begin your increases. If the pattern calls for an increase followed by 4 single crochets in a repeated pattern, you can instead do 2 single crochets, an increase, and then 2 single crochets, and repeat that pattern. You'll end up with a much rounder circle.